Hello, you're welcome to Appfixandearn. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account in Nigerian without making videos. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to simply show you how to get that done in this video. I'm not going to hide any information. So right here is my homepage on my TikTok app. Now the first step you need to actually take is to get yourself a TikTok account. Now as a Nigerian, you won't be able to earn on TikTok by uploading videos on TikTok. You can only earn on TikTok by going live and receiving gifts on TikTok. But in this video, I'm going to simply show you 3 ways you can actually earn from TikTok as well. So you must have seen celebrities like Pella, and you must have seen other blogs accounts on TikTok who are actually reposting their videos on TikTok. You think they don't make money? Of course they do.
Yo, I'm kidding.
So for disclaimer purpose, I'm not actually trying to say that you should go ahead and copy someone else's video or live and repost it on your account without your permission. That is not exactly what I'm trying to say. But accounts like this on the screen, and also this on the screen as well, who are actually making tons of views on TikTok, they're actually making money. You think they're posting content for nothing? Of course, they're not actually posting those contents for nothing. So this is what they simply do. They get a UK or United States account and give it a name. Now, the name they're actually going to give this account is not necessarily the name of the celebrity. Now, you don't need to name your account the name of the celebrity, because that account is going to be banned by TikTok because you are actually impersonating. So this is what you need to do. You need to give the account a good name that actually represents a name for a blog. Yes, you need to name it a name for a blog in order to show that the account is actually a blog. Now this is what you need to do. You need to grow that account and get it monetized. Now for UK or United States account on TikTok, 1,000 views is actually going to give you $1. Now imagine if you are getting 20,000 views, you'll be getting $20, and if you are getting 30,000 views, you'll be getting $30. So this is how you can actually earn on TikTok without posting your own videos on TikTok. Now the second way you can actually earn as well is by going live. Right here on your TikTok app, you can simply go right here and click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on the plus button like this, you simply need to go ahead and scroll and click on live. So right here where you can see live, you need to scroll. Looking here, you can see where it says go live. So at the bottom, you can see voice chat, you can see device camera, and you can also see mobile gaming. So you need to go ahead and select mobile gaming like this. Of course, you're not going to go live showing your face and doing the tap whole thing. So this is what you need to do. Go ahead and click on the add topic like this and select the type of game you want to go live with. Yes, you're not going to actually play the game. So right here, all you need to do is to select the game. I'm going to actually select a simple game right here. Let me go ahead and select, let's say, a simple game like Temple Run. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on go live. So you need to click on start in order to start going live. So this is what you need to do. Right here on the screen, you can see where it says go live at the bottom of the screen. So you simply need to go ahead and click on go live and you start going live. So once you're live, this is what you can easily do. You need to go to YouTube like this and search for Temple Run. So you simply need to go ahead and search for Temple Run like this. You're going to see a lot of videos about Temple Run. So you simply need to go ahead and click on any of them like this. So you simply need to play the video like this and drop your phone. Now while this is playing, it is going to be displayed on your TikTok live, and your viewers are going to be seeing this. Meanwhile, they are going to be gifting you and viewing your live. With that, you'd be able to earn on TikTok as well. Now, another way you can actually earn on TikTok as well is through promotion. Now this can actually happen if you've actually grown your TikTok account to a certain level. Now once your TikTok account has now started getting tons and tons of views, engagement, and also followers, people are actually going to start messaging you to promote their music or video. So that is why you must have been seeing TikTokers using new artist songs as their background music on their video. Now this is because they're actually promoting that video. So once you are actually grown your account to a certain level and you already have a large amount of followers and views on your videos, people are actually going to start messaging you for promotion. You need to message them as well and tell them that you can actually promote their music and video as well. So that is another way you can actually earn money on TikTok without making videos. So these are the 3 ways you can actually make money on TikTok in Nigeria without making videos. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. Tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and tell me as well if you are still having any problem related to this video. I wouldn't hesitate to give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.